Want to reduce the material cost in procurement without sacrificing quality? In this video, we will see a step-by-step approach to cut cost while maintaining the supplier reliability as well as the product quality. Okay, why is this important? Raising material cost eats away the profits of the organization and make business less competitive. That is the first reason. Second, poor procurement decisions lead to supply chain disruptions and which leads to stoppage of production, etc. Third is strategic cost reduction helps businesses stay profitable, agile, and competitive when you are able to compete with all your competitors in the market. Now we'll see what is the step-by-step approach. First step, strategic sourcing and supplier consolidation. This is the first step that you have to think about. And more supplier means better prices. It always taken that way that more supplier means better prices, but it doesn't mean that more supplier does not mean always better prices. So identify some core suppliers and enter into a long-term contract with them. And in the process, use e-procurement tools like SAP Ariba, Coupa, or Jaguar for competitive bidding and tendering exercise. Also leverage on bulk purchasing for discounts. So these are the steps that you have to take under step one. And at the same time, you have to avoid a mistake of switching on to different suppliers within a short span of time, which will lead to a lot of inconsistency in quality. Okay. Number two, total cost of ownership analysis, TCO analysis. Why is it important? Because the cheapest price is not always the best deal. So evaluate freight, storage, if it is imports, consider custom duty and other life cycle costs before choosing a supplier. Using TCO calculators in ERP systems like SAP, S4HANA, or Oracle SCM, all these tools will help you to identify and calculate the cost of total cost of ownership and decide the supplier based on that. And so the mistake to avoid here is don't consider any supplier based on only unit cost instead of total landed cost. That is another mistake that normally people do. Okay, step three, vendor negotiation and collaboration. This is important because strong supplier relationships lead to better pricing and better vendor service. So how do you achieve this? Use data to negotiate fair pricing. Suppose the vendor has given a good service in the past based on the data that you have collected, use them to negotiate in the future deals, and then also offer long-term volume commitments in exchange for better rates. Because supplier is assured of a long-term commitment, he will be able to give a better pricing and stay with you because he's assured of a long-term business. We are giving a commitment to him. That is how he will give a better price to us. Then here also we can use tools, SRM tools like JEP Smart or JICAS. Some of this are, even Zoho is also having a platform on CRM, I think. All these tools can be utilized to, operate this particular part. And again, the mistake to avoid here is hard bargaining without relationship building. So that leads to a lot of supplier disengagement. So you have to build in a long-term partnership. Then only you can their comfort level, and then you can go up to them to negotiate. This is about step three. And step four. Step four is about like value engineering and Lean Six Sigma, all those things, where we have to kind of consider lower cost alternatives to get advantage on a long-term basis. So, work with engineering or R&D team to identify alternative material, currently what you're sourcing in lieu of that, which can give us cost advantage. Also, implement Lean Six Sigma techniques for waste reduction in the manufacturing process, which anyway will increase the productivity. And also use tools like cost modeling software. There are many softwares available in the market, like Priori or Facton. All these are softwares which can help you in cost calculation of a particular part or item. And then the mistake to avoid is ignoring testing and quality checks before actually switching on to the material. Do the test for a long period of time. Make sure that the alternate material does not cause any quality issues in the end product. Okay. Number 5, step 5 is digital procurement and automation. This is very important nowadays because AI and automation can reduce manual errors, and it can also be more consistent, and overall efficiency also can go up by using AI and automation. So what can we do in this area is implement AI-based spend analysis tools like Coupa or Sivo or Spend HQ. All these are some of the softwares that are available for spend analysis using AI, or you can also use RFQ automation. There are several softwares available for automating the RFQ part of it for faster, purchase order release and then processing of it. And then you can also go for, blockchain related technologies, which is very advanced, and depending on the volume that you can decide on that. The mistake to avoid here is like using too many tools and complicating the process. That should not be done. You have to keep the simple process simple and use tools wherever applicable. Don't make it very complicated. So finally, reducing procurement cost without compromising quality is possible with the right strategy, tools, and mindset. That's what we have seen. So I don't know which of the steps you're already using currently. Please comment below in the description, in the comment box. And have you come across any major procurement mistakes? Even share your experience, which will be helpful for other people. And if you have implemented any one of these suggestions and you got some results, please comment on the comment box below as implemented, so that I'll personally monitor and then interact with you. Thank you.